The new Terrain features more appealing materials and a dashboard dominated by a huge vertically orientated display. It has a 15.0-inch screen with Google software that allows users to download apps and customize the layout. The Terrain's infotainment system features wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as a 5G Wi-Fi hotspot. In addition, the driver now sees an 11.0-inch digital gauge cluster with programmable settings. For the first time, the Terrain features a rear-view camera mirror, and the optional surround view camera system now offers up to 8 different viewpoints. Every next-generation Terrain will be powered by a 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine with an 8-speed automated transmission. The 2025 model will only be available in all-wheel drive, but GMC says you'll be able to choose a front-drive variant starting in 2026. If you want a tow, you'll need the AWD version, which has a maximum towing capacity of 1,500 pounds.